In life sciences, regulatory requirements can impact time-sensitive processes for both internal employees and external partners. How can you make it simple for your executives, workforce, and partners to access their most important information while moving fast and staying secure and compliant? Introducing OpenText Life Sciences Smart View. Life Sciences Smart View is an extension to OpenText Documentum for life sciences that reduces task complexity by removing complicated interfaces and cumbersome processes. It provides everyone on the team, including remote users, with a simple and intuitive experience on any device including laptop, tablet, and phone. Information and tasks are presented on the homepage in 3 simple panels. The first panel, Create Something, shows recently created items. The Work on Something panel displays collections of recently accessed items and items marked as favorites. The third panel, Complete Something, provides a list of assigned tasks to work on. With its role-based interface, Life Sciences Smart View guides contributors through the import and creation of new artifacts using a simple 3-step process. Employees and external partners can quickly complete tasks and participate in review and approval workflows to dramatically streamline processes and reduce unnecessary steps. Life Sciences Smart View supports FDA 21 CFR Part 11 compliant electronic signatures and captures controlled processes in the audit trail to ensure compliance. Life Sciences Smart View helps your team members to easily navigate the tasks associated with this complex industry while improving use and increasing productivity all in one place. Learn more about Life Sciences Smart View today.